Today we are fixing old slime. I have done this quite a bit. There's a lot of slime that needs fixing, a lot of slime that sits, a lot of slime that I buy that I don't open up till way later. This is not a year old, thankfully. I've only done a couple. I've literally done 2 videos where I open up a 1-year-old slime package because the thing is, I get a lot of slime and then sometimes my friends send me slime and then the package, I don't realize I get the package and somebody else in the house grabs it and it just kind of sits around until I find it and I'm like, oh my god, this has been sitting here forever. The most these boxes have been sitting is 6 months at most, and that's still a long time, and I gotta stop this from happening where these slimes sit for so long because then I feel so bad. I know that they're gonna be completely glue, just super melted, so all these slimes need some serious transformations. We got Mona Lisa slimes and Slime City B. I've actually done an entire video opening up a year-old package from Slime City B. I don't know how this is happening. I don't understand. Let's get started. Starting off with Mona Lisa slimes. In this package, we have a very cool slime that has been in a shop for quite a bit and I've been obsessed with, but I've never been able to get my hands on it. This is the Ramen Slime. I've seen this a lot on Instagram, on YouTube, and I'm so sad that I'm just getting to it now. Let me just show you what's in the box. Look at this package, it's so freaking cute. First of all, she sent us some extra clay, girl. It has everything to make a really cool ramen slime. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, you know what I'm so impressed by? You would think that because it sat for a while that the clay would be completely dried out, but it still feels really soft. It's still gonna work and I'm so happy about that. And this is the broth. So that's what I got in the mail, a kit from her. Please go give them a follow right now and tell them I sent you. So this is the broth slime. But can I just say that this smells incredible. This smells exactly like ramen. Like, I'm not kidding. It's not one of those slimes that smells like mango, but it's supposed to be ramen. Like, no, this smells like legit ramen. Mind blown. And these are the things that you mix in. I also have a borax baggie. And I'm super, super impressed at how well these held up. Let's activate this. And this might be really cringy to watch, but I'm gonna go ahead and dump it on the table. When I activate slime on the table, it's actually so much easier to activate because I could just get my hands in there. All right, oh my god. It's so sticky right now. Woo! We're gonna let this sit for a few days so that it can clear up nicely. Right now it has a bunch of bubbles. So we'll be right back. I am obsessed with this. It is absolutely amazing. I couldn't add these because honestly they they dried up because that's my fault. They've been sitting for a while, like 6 months. But this outcome is so good. I would just describe it as a super fluffy slay slime. It's amazing. And I'm pretty sure this inflates a ton. Oh, look at that. I am obsessed with this. Look at this. If you could just feel this texture, it's incredible. Come on, Mona Lisa. Obsessed. Moving on to Slime City B. So, slime care sheet. How cute is this, first of all? Oh my gosh. She has how to fix cloud slime, butter slime. Like she has a whole thing on here. Getting into the package, there is a lot of slime. I would love to show you activating all 8 to 10 of them, but I'm going to do a full review on all of these on my Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram at Karina Garcia and go follow Slime City B. Okay, so I'm going with these for Strawberry Acai Lemonade. Let's activate it. It smells incredible. This is amazing. I just want to say that this was incredibly easy to activate. So easy. So soft. Effortless right here. So this is a sugar bead slime. This has to clear up. Next up is Pistachio Dream Cake, and I could tell that this is a butter slime, and I am obsessed with Carly's butter slimes. Anything clay related that she makes is incredible. Okay, this smells like, I get the pistachio scent. Definitely melted. I expect all of these to be. Ah, oh my gosh. Since you're basically mixing glue with clay, it was a little tougher when I was activating it, but I really needed it out, and I think it came out so freaking bomb. This smells so good. It's very clay heavy. I'm thinking that this might have instant snow. I don't know, I can't really tell. The way I would describe this, it's very doughy. That's why I really think it has some instant snow. Okay, this is definitely gonna be a favorite. This is like that slime that you carry around and you just wanna hold and squish because it's so squishy. Obsessed with this. Go off, sis. Okay, next up is Wildberry Cheesecake, and this is a 32 ounce. I am way too excited, and Squishy Bunny actually activated this off camera for me because I wanna get to the good stuff. This is very thick. Okay. I am just obsessed with big batches. Now you can't really see it that well here just because it's a white base slime. But when I tell you that she's thick as ever, honey. If you haven't bought a slime from Carly, just go get one. Just one. Trust me, you're not gonna be disappointed. Last but not least, M&M Rice Krispies. This is slushy beads. No fallout whatsoever. I am so happy with these slimes. I just freaking love good crunchy slime. And the Mona Lisa one, girl, that ramen slime. Are y'all not surprised? I mean, these have been sitting for nearly 6 months. They look amazing. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below if there's any underrated shops or any shops in general that you think I should try. I've tried a few. I've tried a lot. But comment down below if you think there's one out there that I really should get my hands on. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.